Hey everybody, Jimmy here. Welcome back to the channel. So it's Friday. I'm green today. I'm happy about that, but it was super slow. Only one trade on a stock that popped up on FINVIZ for me. I took a 3-bar play on it, a short position. I want to show you the entry, the exit, kind of talk through what I saw and why I took the trade. I'm still looking at my scanner, seeing if anything else is popping up, but it's getting to be about 10:15 my time. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up and call it a day. I hope you guys had a green day. Let me know how you did. Leave me a comment and have a great weekend. We'll be back at it on Monday. Have a good one. Okay, so I've got the chart up on Neo Photonics Corp, ticker symbol NPTN. And I picked this stock up this morning off of FINVIZ. Nothing was hitting my scanners. I wasn't seeing anything good in my pre-market evaluation this morning. And then this jumped up on FINVIZ and it was showing that it was really selling off. So I flipped to the daily chart to see if there were any big support resistance levels, pivot points, things that it was breaking out below. And sure enough, on the daily chart, you can see a couple touches right here and then traveling up, couldn't break these levels. And then finally it came back down to retest it. It did not bounce. It crashed through yesterday. And so if I zoom in a little more here, you can see big down day yesterday, followed by another gap down this morning with continuation to the downside. So if I flip over to the 15-minute chart, what I saw this morning was this big 15-minute bar coming down, and then we had a 15-minute pause. So these are known as 3 and 4 bar plays, and Jared over at Live Traders does a great job. He's the one that put that out on YouTube and really dove into it. So the Live Traders YouTube channel is a great place to check out the 3 and 4 bar plays. He did an awesome job with that, and it's been fun to look for them and trade them. But if you get this big push down and this candle is breaking below a pivot point, which was this line, and the pre-market low, so this big igniting bar pushed down below everything. Then we got this pause, then we got another pause, so there can be a 3-bar or sometimes a 4-bar play. So 1 bar, 2 bars, 3 bars, 4 bars. So you have an igniting bar, a resting bar, possibly a third resting bar, and then you're basically placing an order to buy the break of the low, which was this candle. So you can see I got short with 238 shares at the $3.56 level. I didn't think I was going to get a position on this because I didn't think there'd be shares to short on a $3.50 stock. But turns out there were. So I got short at 356 and it just crept down. It was really slow moving and kind of odd. It didn't do a whole lot. And then it pushed down to 326 and I went ahead and took off a quarter of my position at $3.31 just to take a little bit of profit. And I was ultimately trying to get to $3.14, which would have been 2-to-1 for me. But you can see we got this big bounce. And if I go to the 5-minute chart, here's what I saw. We had this sell-off down. I took my quarter position on this candle. Then we pushed down a little bit more. And I was just waiting for it to drop and see if it hit my target. And then we got this big bounce. So this bullish engulfing candle right here that's engulfing this previous red candle made me think, you know what, I think we're going to bounce and move back up. So it pushed way up, then it sagged back down. And when it sagged back down, I went ahead and took the rest of my position off at 334. And lucky that I did because it bounced up, pulled back, and then ripped back up. So fortunate to get out of that trade. Made some good profit on it. Pretty excited about that. But this was the only trade I took today. There was no other action. Everything else was really slow. Nothing was hitting my scanner. Nothing was breaking above or below any big pivot points on my watch list. So rather than keep searching and maybe eventually forcing a trade, I'm just going to call it a day. Take the Friday green day, small profit, walk away, and then come back on Monday. So hope you guys had a green day. Leave me comments below. Let me know how you did. Ask questions if you have them, and we'll be back at it on Monday morning. We'll see you then. Thanks for stopping in.